Hi everyone, my name is K. Ramanachari, lecturer in zoology. Today topic is life cycle of Helphidium. Okay everyone, previous recapitulation, once again topic. First of all, protozoa. Proto means first, zoos means animal. First animals are including in protozoa. Protozoa, another name is called single cell animal. Single cell animal first discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, and single cell animal name allotted by Goldfuss. And protozoa group of animal body contain only one cell, so that one is a unicellular animal. Body made up of only one cell, that name is called unicellular animal. But protozoa group of animal, prokaryotes or eukaryotes? Actually 100% eukaryotes. Why? A body only present contain nucleus. And protozoa group of animal, locomotion, pseudopodia, flagella, cilia. Pseudopodia example, entamoeba, flagella, flagella mean euglena, and paramecium euglena. And this is the three parts. Once again, pseudopodia, entamoeba, flagella, euglena, cilia, paramecium. And after that, digestion is by intracellular digestion. And after that, they are living in all places. They are parasites depending on another organism. And after that, reproduction mainly two parts: asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction two part: binary fission, multiple binary fission. Binary fission, one mother cell divided to daughter cells. Multiple binary fission, one mother cell divided many cells. And conjugation, unfavorable condition to different paramecium, exchange of gases. And after that, classification of protozoa: Sarcomastigophora, Sporozoa, Nidospora, Celiophora. Okay, everyone. Now today topic, Helphidium type study. Your examination point of very important, life cycle of Helphidium. Before some important points, what is the dimorphism? Helphidium can two structures are there. That one is dimorphism, microspheric form, megalospheric form. That is the dimorphism. Second one, Helphidium structure mainly three parts are there: shell, and after that shell, cytoplasm, nucleus. Actually, cell is the structural functional unit of organism. Any group of the cell, totally three parts: plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. And after that, this one also, shell, cytoplasm, nucleus is available. And locomotion. Locomotion means that one place to another place, displacement. And after that, nutrition, holozoic nutrition. And after that, reproduction and life cycle is very important. Life cycle, this mainly alternation of generation or metagenesis. Microspheric form participated, asexual reproduction can change megalospheric. Megalospheric participated, sexual reproduction to change microspheric. The totally phenomena is called alternation of generation or metagenesis process. Okay, continue. And this is the model Helphidium structure: shell, and after that reticulopodia. This is the locomotory part. Proculum, this is a chamber, and this one is the pores. Different type of pores also available. Next, shell body is covered with a hard and translucent shell made up of calcium carbonate with a small amount of other inorganic components such as cilia and magnesium sulfate. Shell made up of very critical hard component. It is the protection role main. And after that, the shell is polythalamus and multicellular and perforated through cytoplasm, become continue from one chamber to another chamber, also extended to outside to form pseudopodia. Initial single chamber, that name proculum. Proculum large size, that name is megalospheric. Small microspheric form. And next, this is the cytoplasm. All the chambers are living trypsin and filled with the inner cytoplasm. Beside, a thin layer of cytoplasm covers the shell from outside called outer cytoplasm. Endoplasm is also available. There is a nuclei, follicles, minute vacuoles, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes and brown granules. Different structures are there. Next, dimorphism, very important this slide. one, dimorphism. Dimorphism can, how many structures are there? Two structures. Megalosporic form, microsporic form. It occurs two distinct form, the microsporic and megalosporic. Microsporic form, proleculum is small in size and many nucleus are present in cytoplasm. It exhibits asexual reproduction that will change to megalosporic. This is the based life cycle. And proleculum is big in size. This one is proleculum is big. A single large nucleus is present in one of the chamber. It extends sexual reproduction. Do you understand? This is the totally dimorphism structure. And after that, this one is very important. Elphidium asexual reproduction. This is the asexual reproduction. Final change sexual reproduction. This is the alternation of generation, metagenesis. The microsporic form reproduce asexually by fission to produce a number of amoebulae, fission, binary fission or multiple binary fission. Nucleus creeps out of the shell and a small amount of cytoplasm collects around each nucleus. As a result, a large number of amoeboid cells or amoebate are formed. Detached from the parent cell, a secret initial chamber proleculum. Each amoebula secrete the proleculum form rhizopodia. Then it grows and form other chamber of the shell to become a megalosporic. First one is microsporic asexual, final change megalosporic. And next one, Elphidium sexual reproduction. The megalosporic form reproduces sexually by syngamy or conjugation. Conjugation means to different organism exchange of gametes. The nucleus first breaks up into many shell small nuclei and the cytoplasm collect around each of these nuclei. The nucleus divides twice, giving rise to a large number of tiny cells. The cells develop flagella and come out of this shell. The biflagellate cells and haploid and known as isognatous gametes. Isogametes are released into the surrounding seawater through the shell pores. The isogametes of two different individuals fuse the pairs of the zygote. Finally, zygote thus formed develop into the microsporic form. Each zygote secretes a shell around itself. New chambers are added. My dear students, main concept of microsporic form will be undergo change, asexual reproduction change megalosporic. Megalosporic sexual reproduction will undergo change to microsporic. This is the main concept to, that's one is alternation of generation or metagenesis process. And after that, this is the main. The life cycle of Elphidium clearly exhibit the phenomenon of alternation of asexual microsporic generation with sexual megalosporic generation. This main concept. And final one, this is the diagram, main important. This is the adult megalosporic. For example, this is the adult microsporic form. Next to amoebular structure, two chamber structure, three chamber structure, megalosporic form, adult megalosporic form, large proleculum, and and this is one is large proleculum, megalosporic. This is sexual reproduction, zygote, final change into microsporic. This is the phenomena. Microsporic form, asexual reproduction change into megalosporic form, megalosporic form, sexual reproduction change to microsporic. This is the alternation of generation. This is the main important, my dear aspirants. Main important Elphidium, Elphidium phylum Protozoa, subphylum Sarcomasticopora, genus Elphidium, species Scriptum. And Elphidium mainly dimorphism, two structures, and the structure of Elphidium, three structures are there. Number one is shell, cytoplasm, nucleus, and after that totally two phenomenon is very important: asexual reproduction in Elphidium and sexual reproduction in Elphidium. Final, this is the cycle continue. This is the today class, the main important life cycle of Elphidium. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe my channel.